Hi guys, I'm so bored. We have nothing to do, so record na lang. Diba? Asking someone like you by Adam. I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave the things that I need you. Oh, friend, why are you so shy? Like you know that when your eyes from your eyes, like it turned up, I got a blue one invited, but I couldn't stay away. Couldn't find, but I hope you see my face that you feel like that for me. It isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but good things for you. Don't forget me. Happy is never you find. Sometimes you love, sometimes it hurts instead. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but goodness for you. Just don't forget me. Happy never sometimes you love, sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares, no worries prepared. Regrets and mistakes that I never was made. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me. I'll remember you then. Sometimes it hurts to love, sometimes it hurts to stay. Yes, tulog na ako. Thank you for listening. Hope you love it. Hindi naman ako kagandahan, hindi naman ako kapangitan. Yun lang. Share lang. Share ng talent. Okay, kung may talent.